Welcome back to today's vlog. Only happens like once in a while anyway. But before we get into it, well, what am I printing? Before we get into it, just a few things, a few updates that I've noticed when I'm editing and stuff. These videos are lasting way too long. They're lasting like 30 minutes, which is ridiculous. No one watches. No one would want to watch me for 30 minutes. So I'm going to try and keep them short and sweet. 15 minutes if I can, 15-20 minutes. I already cut out so much from the vids, and but yeah, well, I'm talking again. You think I like my own voice, but I really don't. Anyway, we're gonna go get a car wash because obviously these birds love me. All over the windscreen, the hood, bonnet, sorry, in the UK. And I don't have a pressure washer and I want to wash it, so see you after. Gotta love a good car wash, although I would prefer to do it myself, but I don't have a driveway and I don't have a jet washer and I don't have a lot of stuff. But let's wait for the wash. Is looking fairly nice, very decent. So now back to today's vlog. We're actually going to be changing these things over here. Now I've got new ones which I've had for a while. Yeah. So have a look, get these set up. Just looks like it's a little spring, gets pushed back. It's for the right, I'm guessing. And yeah, let me get this set up. Okay, so we're basically, so this is the first time I've ever done it. I don't know which way it's meant to be sliding, so yeah, I thought I'll explain the process because I couldn't obviously talk while I'm doing it. But yeah, so I'm trying to slide it, see which way the pin is meant to go, and then it comes out in my hand. I just rip out the lens. I have to turn it slightly to get the socket out, and then now I didn't know where it was meant to plug into, but there was a red tab that I pushed back and I thought, okay, the whole thing's meant to come out. But I didn't really realize that I should have just twisted the whole thing off. So in a moment you hear a big clang, which is me taking it completely off. And as you can see, there's two holes and there's no gap in between. So if you look at my face on the reflection, I am completely baffled. I mean, there's no way that these two would go in together, and the idiot that I am still try and push it in. And I was like, there's just no way, like there must be something that I'm missing. To be honest with you, a lot of the time there's like people walking by, and that's more what I'm thinking of. Just people everywhere, and I don't like it. So that's really more what I'm concentrating on. Anyway, once they're all gone, I then realized, hold on a minute, I'm pretty sure, yeah, there we go, in the reflection, oh there we are. Take the bulb out and have to plug this back in. So it really is like a 2-minute job, but yeah, forgive me, it's my first time and my hands are freezing at this point. Now I know how Samir felt that day when he was doing my Android head unit, how he couldn't feel his fingers. Yep, there we go, dropped, but we're good, no damage, it's alright. Take two. That was a nice little Subaru that went past. And yeah, I think from there, as you can see from my elbow, I'm doing very well at the moment, trying to push it in. It was a struggle getting in, I don't understand. But yeah, there it is, hanging. and we'll do a little test. Oh yeah. Alright. And then put it back in, spring side first, and then a little push. Oh, looking good already. That looks cleaner. I'm such a little novice though. But maybe I should have actually done one before I did the other. Before I showed you, I mean. But yeah, that definitely looks cleaner. And that is definitely the end of today's vlog, because I think I'm going to be running over again. But that's just, you had to take out the inside bit. If I obviously did a trial run, then I would have known. I tried to fit it in somewhere that it wasn't going to fit, and I thought it wasn't going to work, and then I was stressing, but then yeah. Anyway, yeah, you have to take out the white bit from the back where the bulb sits, and then it just plugs directly into where the bulb is. So yeah, looks good, looks decent. So here's them working. Did the other one in literally not even a minute, but I think they definitely look a lot cleaner and a lot nicer, and a lot to do with what I'm aiming for, which is basically everything black with maybe a hint of red. Okay, let me in the car, get in the car. Alright, so basically I was obviously a little bit nervous because there's like people outside and it was freezing and my hands were cold, and obviously I dropped it and you saw it, and I like people watching. It's very annoying. But then obviously the next one I knew what I'm doing and it didn't take as long. But yeah, I don't like people watching. I'm not. Yeah. Can't believe I dropped it. That was so noobish. But yeah, that was simple. That was pretty easy. That was, and it looks good. That's like the best, quickest, best mod you can do for the time and the money, personally. And they look epic. Alright, that's all. I don't want to run over again. Safe.